Meaning of interstitial.
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 Interstitial. The term interstitial can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In medical terminology, interstitial refers to the tissue spaces or small cavities that exist within and between the various organs and tissues of the body. For example, interstitial lung disease refers to a group of lung disorders that affect the tissue and space around the air sacs in the lungs. In advertising, an interstitial ad is an advertisement that appears in between two content pages within an app or website. These ads typically take up the entire screen and can be shown during natural transition points such as after completing a game level or scrolling through a certain amount of content. In chemistry, an interstitial atom or molecule is one that occupies the space between the atoms or molecules of a crystal lattice without replacing any of them. This can have interesting effects on the properties of the material as a whole.